everybody, it's Katie from Cater's Acres. I want to demonstrate for you today 2 of the new fall mica powders for my shop. So I'm going to be using today Marjorie's Magnificent Blending Brush. So this is a brush that is specifically for mica powder. It has a beautiful, soft, tapered end on one side and a nice blending brush on the other. Since these samples are awful big, I'm not going to use this blending brush side today. I'm actually just going to use my finger so that I can demonstrate for you faster. So the first color that I am going to be showing you today, and I have them over here off camera, is called Rock, and it is a beautiful silvery toned gray. So I'm just going to put the powder here on my brush, and you can see here it's that nice beautiful silvery gray. And the way that I recommend using these is with a brush. Now what I want to show you, I'm going to put a nice even coat all the way around this whole swatch here. I'm just kind of bouncing it around. Okay. There we go. I'm going to knock off all the excess here. Then I'm just going to go ahead. Now, normally I would use this if it was a smaller surface, but since I'm kind of in a hurry and want to do justice for this video for you, I'm going to go ahead and just blend that in. Now, one of the reasons that you always want to blend in your mica powder is one, so that it sticks to the surface of your clay and so you have less rub off later, but also because mica powder, mica is a rock and mineral, and they all stick up on their ends. And what you want to do when you rub it, you're actually flattening them so that they can be seen better. So let me get a blade here. I want to show you this nice, beautiful color. This is a nice, light, silvery gray color. And you can see how beautiful that is. Now, one of the things that's unique about all of my mica powders is that they have built-in pigment. So what I'm going to do here on this right side of the Parker image, I'm going to add extra mica powder. And I'm going to make just this right side darker. Not the left side, just the right side. So I'm just adding a second coat right on top. And again, I'm just going to blend that with my finger, just for speed purposes today. Now, laying down on camera, you probably can't tell that that's much darker at all. But when I pick it up, you should be able to tell how much richer, darker, and bolder that is. It might be a little hard to tell with this color here on camera. So let's try the other new color. Oh, there you can tell when I put it down. You can really tell the difference in how dark that is there. New release color for October, and that new release color is called Moss. And it is a beautiful minty green. Now when I put it down here on the clay, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put a nice even coat all the way around. You're going to let's rub all of that in. It's a beautiful minty green color. Wow, is that pretty? It's got a nice golden flash to it. A little bit of duochrome in there maybe. Okay, so here's this one. And it's definitely green, but it has a nice gold flash to it. And definitely is a mint color. This is not real green, almost a blue green. I would classify this more as a mint. Now again, I'm going to go ahead and on this right side, I am going to put a second coat, because I want you to see that when you use a second coat of any of the mica powders in my shop, you're going to get a bolder, richer, darker color automatically, because all of my mica powders have built-in pigment. All right. That is much, much darker, much bolder. Let's see, whoops. Helps if you use your blade the correct way. Go ahead and take a look at that, and you can definitely see the difference. It's hard with mica on camera, but you can definitely see that there's a difference between those two sides. So I hope that you check out the two new mica powder colors in the shop. Again, this is Rock and Moss for October of 2020. Have a great day, guys. Be sure to check it out. www.catersacres.com/shop. Bye!